Hey guys, how you guys are doing? Vincent Loo here yet again, and today we just witnessed MEXC cross, right? It's about to cross, and it actually already crossed in the low time frame, where indicating the start of the bull run. So you will never want to miss this. So watch until the end. So if you guys already know, okay, let's look at this MEXC charts in the 2 hour time frame. Okay, in the 2 hour time frame, we have a huge pump. Okay, huge pump. Not sure who pumped it, but we actually already crossed the MEXC above the zero line. And I already shared in my Twitter. Okay, I shared in my Twitter last time MEXC crossed above the zero line for the daily time frame and the weekly time frame. We have a huge bull run. Okay, it crosses at 30K and then at 26K for the daily, and then it's all the way. Okay, the price pump all the way and never stop until 73.8K, right? About 173%. And right now it's about to happen again. Look at this Twitter screenshot. Okay, the price of the daily is about to cross the MEXC, and the weekly is also about to cross. For a matter of fact, right now, if you were to look at daily, even though the candle haven't closed, okay, the candle haven't closed, we already crossed it, guys. See, we already crossed it right now, and we are waiting for the candle to close to confirm the MEXC cross above zero line. Okay, if you look at weekly right now, it's about to cross as well, and then we will have a full momentum upwards with all the FOMO kicking in. Okay, with all the FOMO kicking in right now, with all the scenario, with all the story, right? Everybody is saying Q4 up October, elections gonna pump, and with all these things, okay, puts it into the retail mindset. The retail money gonna buy, okay, they're gonna market buy, gonna just buy. And then for the matter of fact, let's look at this right now. Okay, who do you think? Okay, who do you think suddenly pumps up the money right here? It's all smart money. Okay, smart money is buying also. But this one particular smart money market buy everything is very crazy. Because I believe, okay, I believe the smart money will accumulate by limit order. Right, this is what the accumulation happens, and one of particular, money shoot it all up, right, indicating the start of the MEXC crossing, indicating the momentum, and US market is about to open. So if you were to look at 2 hours, we are still crossing above the zero line. 1 hour, right, we didn't cross above the zero line, but actually the price pushes upwards. Okay, pushes upward. Actually, when I see these charts, I'm a bit too late because the price, right, this pump right here, right, is too sudden, and I never didn't get to enter my trade. But I know, okay, I know the daily is about the cross, okay? The weekly is also about the cross. And when all of them crosses, you guys already know what's gonna happen, guys. Okay? It's gonna be the bull run. So in order to actually get into the trade, over here, guys, I actually, you know, already get into my trade for the long. And then in order to protect myself, I protect myself from the corrections, because right now, if we were to look at the liquidations, okay, we have a lot of short liquidation because of that pump. And then if we were to look at this chart right here, huge liquidation, okay, huge liquidation because of this pump right here. So there's a lot of liquidation happens already. Okay, a lot of liquidation happens already. But whenever liquidation happens, price tends to move the other way. Okay, I will not know what's gonna happen. So if you look at this heat map right here, right, BTC took out a lot of liquidation, short liquidation, right? They already took out a lot of short liquidations. So in the future, might have a bit of correction. Okay, a bit of correction after BTC took out the liquidity. Okay, so I predict, right, it's gonna go down and then gonna go up again. So to protect myself, and I want to enter and don't want to miss out this bull run, I actually enter long and short. Okay, I actually enter two trades. Okay, I'm gonna long it as you guys can see, my long position right now, and then I didn't leave any TP open. Okay, no TP. We are not gonna TP because, right, after the MACD cross, and then with the momentum coming in, with the FOMO coming in, it's gonna go up, right? It's gonna go up. So I have no TP. I have my stop loss, right? I have my long stop loss. Obviously, to hedge against myself, right? For this stop loss region, right? My stop loss region is very huge, guys. Very, very huge. Because the setup is like this. Okay, the setup is like this. If I were to go to 2 hours time frame, right now the MACD cross over here. Okay, MACD cross over here, guys. So when every time the MACD cross, right, we have to look into stop loss and take profit. So how much we can take in for the stop loss. So if we were to look at the price range, this is the amount of stop loss from the previous low. Okay, from the previous low. So in order to protect myself in case of liquidity hunt, okay, I let put in 1 more percent, okay, which is about 5% over here. Okay, over here. So there's a huge chunk of stop loss region over here. So in order to hedge against myself, I hedge against myself where if the price were to go down, I actually, open 2 trade, okay, long and short, okay, long and short to protect against my money, right, to protect against my money. So even if the price were to go down, right, I'm still shorting it. So my capital will be equal. So if the price were to actually get into this stop loss hunt over here, I get into this long liquidity, then I'll enter more. Okay, I enter more. Because if you guys already know, right, MACD already crossed for the hourly, it's gonna bring it forward to the daily. Daily actually already crossed. We're just waiting for the candle close. Okay, I predict it will actually goes up even higher today during the US market open. Okay, and the weekly is about to close as well. You guys were to look at this tiny bit more. Okay, another long candle over here, another long candle over here for the next week. Push. Everybody sees breakout from this region, breaks out from this region, and if you can draw lines, trend lines, retail money is trading on trend line, guys. Okay, retail money is trading on trend lines, and if the price were to go beyond this trend line and retrace a bit and go up again, that's where all the FOMO kicks in, and boom. Okay, all the FOMO kicks in with the elections coming in, quantitative easing coming in, all right, and the rate cuts coming in, elections, and the Q4 bull run for the halving cycle, which prices are gonna go to the moon. That's why I have this trade right now to protect against myself, to hedge against myself. If you guys want to follow, right, you guys can follow, but trade at your own risk. Okay, do your own research, and I'm gonna post this later on. So this is how I'm gonna set up my trade. Okay, I'll see you in a bit. Peace.